Welcome. In this lecture, we would talk about LED. What is an LED? The various types of LED, specifically focusing on OLED and QLED and the differences with other form. A very important topic, and one of the questions from 2023 came from this topic. So understand it very carefully. Now, so far we had the incandescent bulbs. Later than we had the CFL, and after CFL came the LED. Why LED was chosen? The idea was very simple. It has a lesser power consumption, the size is small, it turns on and off fast, and has a longer shelf life, or we can say longer hours of service that it could provide. A CFL can remain for 1500 hours. However, LED has a life of nearly 25,000 hours. So a specific gap, we could say a significant gap that could be seen between the duration for which LEDs could be lighted. Now this is an example of a sample LED. LED is what is called as light emitting diode. So it is a semiconductor which emits light due to electroluminescence, and it is a PN diode. So it is basically a PN junction diode which has a forward bias. Now it has two pins, the anode as well as the cathode. Now the most important thing is the positive terminal is the anode, the negative terminal is the cathode. Now, the negative terminal and the positive terminal are important. For a LED to work properly, the positive is connected to a higher potential, and then the current would flow from anode to cathode. Really important to note. Understood? So, this is a very important concept that you must keep in mind. Also, the light which is emitted using LED is monochromatic, which is single color. And then the color is dependent on the energy band gap in the semiconductor. Now this LEDs could be of various types. For example, throw hole LED. Now these are available in different sizes and shape, 3 mm, 5 mm, 8 mm. Colors like red, yellow, blue, white are the common colors. The next is surface mount LED. These are mounted on the surface and they are mounted on a PCB circuit, right? They are differentiated from other LEDs. The most common LEDs are 3528 and 5050. The next is bicolor. It actually, as we said, LED is monochromatic, but it could be in two colors, and this two colors actually is possible by two anode and one cathode. Another important aspect. So, two positive, one negative. And this configuration would lead to the activation of the color, whether it would switch to red or green, red or blue, and so on. The next is the RGB LED, which